I'm getting ready to fix a little snack for me and the baby. This is something pretty popular with the... Hang on a second, let me find out what she's doing. Alright, sorry about that, she started hollering, I had to find out what she was doing. Okay, we got this quick little snack. Roasted Brussels sprouts, both kids and adults both enjoy like it here. I got a 12-ounce bag of Brussels sprouts, frozen. If you got fresh Brussels sprouts from the garden, you can use them also. Got the oven preheated, 375. Lay them out on a casserole dish or baking dish. Like I've got here. There you go. A little bit of black pepper. Hey, Rosie, get out of there. Get out of there. You know better. Sprinkle a little bit on them. The minute your daddy left, you decided to get in everything, didn't you? Don't give me that little grin. Rosie, stop. Stop. Hang on a minute. She's being a handful this morning. Alright, I'm back. Okay, putting some pepper on them. I got a little bay seasoning I'm going to put on. Old Bay is made by McCormick. It's pretty good seasoning. We pretty much use it on everything. Okay. Once you get everything seasoned and spread out. What are you doing? Come here, young lady. What are you doing? Give me that. Rosie, bring that here. Rosie, come here. Okay. Once you get them all seasoned, you got your oven preheated, set 375. You can put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. Rosie! I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, then I'm gonna pause the camera while they bake, find out what she's doing in the meantime. Just stick them in the oven for about 15 minutes. When I get done, I'll get back on with this. I'll get back on here when they get done. This is turning into crazy morning. Right after I put the camera on pause, sirens started going off. I haven't drilled and I didn't know that. I had to check internet to find out what was going on. And I had these in here for the oven about 20 minutes. They're good and hot now. So it's like I said, spread them out on a baking dish. Put a little pepper, and I put a little Old Bay on them. And bake them 375 for about 20 minutes. It's a good, nice little healthy snack. I go ahead and get off here. Rose is being a handful. I hope you try it and like it. Have a good day.